Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create folders and also how to move your videos into those folders in Hailuo AI. Now as you can see here, I'm in my Hailuo AI dashboard. Yeah, I'm on the free account, and it's very easy to create folders, guys. So what you want to do, you want to go over to the left hand side where you have assets, and as you can see it says mine. You click on assets. If you look at the top here, you can see that all videos, and it also shows all folders. Now you have your videos here, and you just want to go ahead and click on the all folders, and here you have the option to create a folder. So as it says add new folder, you click on that, you give your folder a name. Let's say I call this one test, and I'm going to go ahead and click on confirm. As you can see here as well, you have up to 33 characters length to make your videos, to make your folders. So just go ahead and click and confirm. Your folder is now created, and you can go ahead and you can move whatever you want into those folders. Now you can always go ahead and rename the folders. If you look to the upper right and if you look to the lower right hand side, you can see a delete button, and you also have a rename button. So I can rename this, and I can just call it, for example, my videos, right? And let me go ahead and put a space in between and just click and confirm, and you see my folder is now renamed. Now go back to all videos, and you can move whatever you want inside. So if you have, for example, this video here, you want to move it, you can just hover over it. You have the option that says add to, you click in that, and you can just simply select your folder and click and confirm, and that's going to move that video into the folder. You will still see the video here because it's basically showing all your videos, but the folders actually allow you to organize it. So as you can see here, once I hover over it, it's already showing a video, and I can click on that and I can open that folder, and I will see all of those videos. So this is a very useful way, guys, how to organize your videos that you're creating with Hailuo AI, and that's basically it. Very easy and very simple.